Hello friends, here with another origami tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to make an origami turtle. First of all, I have to take a square piece of your favorite color paper, typically green, orange or brown, which is the natural color of a turtle. Now, fold it twice into two triangle halves, then fold it horizontally from one side. Then from the other side. Perfect. Press well to have crease upon your paper. Now unfold it to the center, fold a tiny triangle. Repeat this step to all four corners of the paper. Oops, I made a mistake. Sorry for that. Fold it as shown. Press well so that you may have mark on your paper. Fold it professionally. There is also an idiom about the turtle. Let me know in the comment if you know it. Now fold the bottom into two little triangles towards the center. Now the bottom into a small triangle. Hope you are learning it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. You may visit our channel for more origami tutorials like how to make elephant, birds, sparrows, parrots, iguana, etc. Okay. Now we have a card-like shape. It's a little hard, but practice makes a man perfect. One or two times done will make you a champion in it. Don't forget to share it with your friends, family members and relatives. Okay, now we are making some toe-like structures. A lot of detailings. That's mind-blowing, of course. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite hobby. Crafting things, or art, or painting. Alright. Again from the other side. Make sure that your paper do not tear at the point you are making a lot of folds. Take some hard paper for that, okay? Especially for the crafts which have many folds like this one. Because if it turn, it will be a great loss for you, as your all the attempts will be based in just one turn. So make sure that the paper you have chose is of good quality and a bit hard texture. Look how many folds we are doing in it. So the quality of paper is very important in such crafts. Okay, the third leg is also done. Now we are going to make the fourth one. I hope that the view is clear to you. We have tried a lot to make it zoomed for you so that you may learn every step in detail. Beautiful. And our turtle is done. Thinking about a turtle, there is also a bunny tutorial on our channel. You may visit it too. Let me know in the comments what is your favorite animal. Okay, now add a little eye. And our turtle is done.